Did you know many people are having trouble with setting their washer to spin only? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Close lid. Ensure the washer lid is completely closed to begin the spin-only cycle. Step 2. Select spin. Turn the cycle selector knob to the spin option on your machine. Step 3. Start cycle. Press the start/pause button to start the spin function. Step 4. Adjust settings. Modify any additional settings if needed for the items being spun. Step 5. Remove items. Once done, remove the spinned items promptly from the machine. Now you can effectively use the spin-only feature for your hand-washed items. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Speed Queen users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.